That is an amazing thing when you think about it, based on where we were, 35 years ago. And it's something I think people, kind of take for granted. And at the end of the day, we have a lot more power. And basically, the power is going to be free. We are able to use an LLM for almost free or a little bit of money. And that was not something that was going to be around. That was around in 1985, was pure science fiction at the time. So in the 80s, we optimized for fitting into limited memory and CPUs. We had very small stacks. And in 2026, AI rides on GPUs, TPUs, and distributed training inferences, turning problems that took weeks of engineering into minutes of prompting and fine-tuning. And that's something I see every day. I just look at something, I pull something into ChatGPT or pull something into a small language model that I'm building for a client, and I ask it to carry out a task based on the training data based on its learning and learning and building the model. And just the speed that it's able to do this, that would have taken, very simple calculations, would have taken days, sometimes weeks, and you got to pay for that processing power. So deployment then looked like shipping a monolith with embedded rules and bespoke integration layers, while today we deploy via cloud APIs, containers, vector databases, and ML ops and LLM ops pipelines with monitoring, evals, and rollback built in. And again, head and shoulders better than what it was in 1985. That's going to be a common theme of this thing.